Now, we're going to make our favorite Pinoy breakfast, Pandesal! These are the ingredients. First, 4 cups of flour, 1/2 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, 1 egg, 5 tablespoons of melted butter. Then let's mix it. Warm milk, 2 tablespoons of dry yeast, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of flour. Then let's mix it and set aside for 10 minutes. And now the yeast is ready. And now let's mix it. For 1 hour. Let's cover it. After 1 hour, this is what happened. And let's cut it. You can cut this any size. Now it's done! Let's preheat the oven in 350 degrees. And let's put this in the oven. Let's taste it. Good. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!